Surely you have definitely been blown away by Nvidia's outstanding performance since at least the last 1 year. But if you think that is fantastic, you haven't seen anything yet. The companies that are behind its success, that is the companies that have been pouring in those billions that it has been amassing. Some of them have raced ahead and have trained their models and have gotten are beginning to and are beginning to derive the productivity that is expected, that is to come from implementing AI. Some of those companies include CrowdStrike. A lot of those companies are expected to be mid-cap stocks, but nothing stops CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is a large, it is a large cap stock. Nothing stops it, and indeed, the market participants, they believe that CrowdStrike has raced ahead. CrowdStrike has cracked the code. It's on the move, and the efficiency, the productivity that it's already deriving, and that it will ultimately derive is definitely, even more. It's going to be probably more than what you have seen. It's definitely going to be more than what you have seen with Nvidia. Nvidia is laying the foundation. Nvidia and indeed the chip stock, they are laying the foundation. But you know, the mega trend is expected to come from the companies. I mean, the wider economy. Because obviously, if this productivity turns out, then the market will continue to extend, just as is expected that the S&P 500 will continue to rally, continue to advance towards the 7,000. 7,000 is definitely a piece of cake. It's going to achieve that, if not this year, 2024, 2025. There's nothing. If you're thinking about a recession, if you're thinking that a recession is going to come and then the market is going to fall and all that stuff, the crash is coming. No, none of them will happen. Companies like CrowdStrike, they haven't even started yet. It's just that maybe because CrowdStrike are just a lot more tech savvy than the average mid cap stocks. It has raced ahead. So a lot is going to happen. A lot is going to happen. But right now, just have a look at the charts and I'll tell you what's going on with the stock.
Minute chart in this regular session of today, the 11th of March 2024. The stock is down around 1.7%. We can see this is its 1 minute chart. Extrapolation is saying that it should be trading at $318.62 at the moment, but that is not what is going on right now. So let's have a look, and we have on this 1 minute chart upper projection of 318.01. 318.07 on the 3 minute chart. Let's see what we have. Extrapolation is equally saying that it should be trading at 319.84, and that extrapolation has a convergence with a Fibonacci projection. So that's a convergence there, and then above that Fibonacci we have Fibonacci projection, we have 320.7, and above that we have 323.25. But indeed there are downward projections. As a matter of fact, there are a couple of projections above where it is right now. We have 318.15, 316.65, 319.15, and let's quickly move it to a much higher interval chart. Let's look at the 30-minute chart and see what's going on. It's been moving sideways in this session. Based on the 30-minute charts, we have upper projection of 340.77. The most upper projection for where it is right now is 323.85. And then indeed there are projections all the way down to 207.94. And there on this for 30-minute chart we have a couple of buy the deep buy the deep support. We have this one is 305.73. It has it delivered some gains for those who bought that deep. And then we have a double bottom, which which has now led to led to a rally to where it is right now. And 301.22, 301.22, okay, 300 is that okay, that's actually not even the 301.22, yes. And then the bounce, the what ensued thereafter is they push towards where it is, around where it is right now, 319.02. This is its 30-minute chart. Is there any need to look at a 45-minute chart and see? Okay, let's have a look and see. Yeah, we have yes, we have that that dip there, but it's not, we don't have a double bottom as such. But projections on this 45-minute chart, we have 341.17. Okay, let's look at the, is there any need? Okay, let's look at the hourly chart, and we might see a couple of things here on the hourly chart. You never say never. Let's see 1 hour chart. Let's see 1 hour chart. We have that huge, this is a huge spike towards okay, yeah, we have a huge spike towards it wasn't actually today. It was sometime on the 6th of that 6th will be Wednesday, yeah, about a week ago. Spiked all the way to 372.98. If you think this is the stock is not going to rally anymore, this is a consolidation of this huge spike. That's what we are looking at right now. We are looking at the consolidation of this huge extension, this spike from the lows of 291.17. It was Tuesday. It was just almost 1 week ago that it was trading at this sort of level, 291.17, and spiked all the way towards in one session, in the same session, spiked all the way towards 373.34, and it's definitely cooling off. But let's still trudge on and have a look at the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, we definitely have that that spike there, and then on this 4 hour chart, projections go all the way towards 403.42. Below that we have 378.57. We have 369.81. Yeah, and that peak almost took it towards it got the, I would say I would just say it's it got the resistance at just 369.08. So as I said once again earlier on, just a few seconds ago, this is it's in the consolidation phase. It's after this consolidation, expect CrowdStrike to spike further up, and let's have a look at the 1 day chart, the daily chart, and see. On the daily chart, we have a couple of buy the dips, and they have delivered. We can see here, I would say this, if it prints anything close to this range, you definitely shouldn't waste time, and you definitely have to buy the stock, buy the dip. But this does not mean that if you don't buy the dip, that if you don't buy the dip, then maybe you've missed out. There's still an opportunity to buy the stock. The stock is definitely going to spike to huge heights, to higher prices. Higher highs are definitely on the cards, regardless of I mean, this double bottoms, this buy the dip opportunities, just trades. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about long term or mid to long term opportunities that are here. But in any case, I'm just trying to point out the buy the dip opportunities that have definitely delivered. So we have, I would say, it's between a range of between 297.52 and 297.52, and let's put it modestly at 297 and so 289 and to roughly 290 and 297. Those, if it ever prints anything close to those sort of lows, then definitely, without any hesitation, just definitely buy that deep and move on. But at the same time, the stock is definitely a long-term play that will definitely deliver. As things stand right now, as I said, it is definitely consolidating the spikes that the spike that took it around almost 300. It's not printed on this daily chart. On almost took it to or almost $370. We saw that. You saw that on the hourly chart. So this is the daily chart. It didn't close at that price. That's why we have it. We don't have it here on the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we have let's begin with the downward projections. We have 311.83. Below that, we have 396. So this is where that trade lies. If it gets to somewhere around this 396 and 380, 396 and 296 and 288, definitely buy that deep. Then we have 270, roughly 274. Below that, we have 211.68. Then upper projections, we have 335. If it breaks through this 335 on a daily basis, then we are definitely going to see advances towards 352, and for sure this will happen. 352, 372, and all the way towards 435.82 on that 4-hour chart. I think we even have a projection higher than 435.82. Let's look at that. 435.82 is the highest we have on that chart, that daily chart. Let's see what we have here. We have we don't have, it's only 403.42, 403.42. So let's quickly have a look at the 1 week chart and see whether we have even higher projections. Okay, right now we don't have anything higher than that. It is we don't have anything on the weekly chart, but you never know, we might have something on the monthly chart for CrowdStrike. Let's have a look and see. There isn't enough. Okay, well, we have it 523.17, and we below that we have 358.42. so it has actually surpassed this sort of level. So CrowdStrike definitely consolidating the highs of the highs it has. It's an intraday highs. It ran up at just around a week ago. The stock is definitely going to advance further. So see what you make of it, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.